CNC Scott here for CNC Labs. We did it! 10,000 subscribers. Woo! And for 10,000 subscribers, look what we got. 10,000. That's a lot of subscribers. That's 10,000 individuals who thought enough about what we're doing over here that they wanted to keep in the loop, so they signed up. It got me thinking about what else is there 10,000 of in the world. You could line up 224 long mill Mark IIs side by side. That would give you about 10,000 feet. You could buy 100 gallons of epoxy. That's about $10,000. A trim router weighs about 6 pounds, so you would need 1,666 of those to equal 10,000 pounds. If you took 10,000 steps in your shop, and I promise you I do that, you'd walk about 8 kilometers or 5 miles. The point is, 10,000 subscribers is a huge milestone for us. So from each and every one of us here at CNC to each and every one out there in the YouTuberverse, we wanted to thank you for subscribing. We want this channel to continue to grow so we can continue to make amazing content for you along your journeys. But we still want it to feel like home, just like this company does for us. So we're going to continue to do what we've done to this point. Fantastic products with out-of-this-world customer service. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for all the dings, likes, subscribes. Keep the engagement coming. We love hearing from you guys. We hope you'll continue with us on our journey, and we want to be a part of yours. Next goal, 100,000 subscribers. Spread the good word. We'll see you around the CNC.